At the SAP Sapphire 2026 keynote in Orlando, CEO Christian Klein proposed that SAP would no longer define itself by the software it sells. Instead, he announced that the company is pivoting to become a business AI company. For decades, the SAP Business Technology Platform, or BTP, provided the invisible framework for the enterprise world. It functioned as the primary bridge, connecting the data in S/4HANA to the human resource functions in SuccessFactors. However, traditional technology platforms rely on human operators to bridge the gaps between disjointed databases. In an environment where generative AI can reason and act, this manual approach creates a structural bottleneck that prevents models from accessing the real-time context they need. Adding an AI chatbot to an aging infrastructure does not solve the problem of scale. To enable autonomous operations, SAP had to change the underlying logic of how its core platform handles information. That change began with a rebranding of the platform's core purpose. SAP removed the word technology from its flagship offering, replacing it with the SAP Business AI Platform, or BAIP. BAIP shifts the platform from a passive storage system into an active reasoning layer. This allows the system to interpret business requirements and execute tasks without waiting for manual input. The scale of this transition is significant. SAP is altering the operational foundation for hundreds of thousands of organizations, integrating reasoning capabilities directly into the core while attempting to maintain continuous business operations. This shift redefines the primary role of enterprise software. The platform is no longer a system used solely for recording business history. It is becoming a layer designed for autonomous execution. SAP merged three legacy components, the original BTP, Business Data Cloud, and AI Foundation, into a single unified layer. At the center is the SAP Knowledge Graph. It structures decades of business process intelligence for AI reasoning, turning raw data into a logical map. Without this convergence of data and intelligence, autonomous business operations would be impossible. The platform must first understand the relationship between different business functions before it can make an accurate decision. This operational layer is managed by SAP AI Core. It handles the lifecycle of AI assets and ensures that model executions remain standardized across different cloud environments. The Generative AI Hub acts as a secure gateway, connecting enterprise data to external reasoning engines like Anthropic, Google, and OpenAI. Internally, SAP utilizes proprietary models, SAP RPT 1.5 for predictive finance and sales insights, and SAP ABAP 1 to assist with enterprise code generation. This dual approach pairs external processing power with SAP's specific business data. The result is a system that understands general language but executes based on the specific rules of enterprise operations. The user-facing result of this architecture is the SAP Autonomous Suite. Users interact with this system through Joule Work, a conversational interface that serves as a single entry point for the entire ERP. This suite utilizes over 200 specialized AI agents. They monitor supply chains, manage the financial close, and handle routine HR processes, all without constant human oversight. SAP also released Joule Studio 2.0, which allows developers to build and deploy these custom agents using natural language. This effectively removes the coding requirement for creating complex automation workflows. The platform now functions as an active participant in the workflow. Instead of acting as a tool that requires manual operation, the system identifies business needs and executes the necessary tasks independently. However, these autonomous capabilities are only effective if the underlying data is accurate. If a company's information is fragmented across legacy spreadsheets and disconnected systems, the AI cannot reason effectively. SAP has established 3 requirements for businesses to adopt this platform: a clean core architecture, a migrated cloud environment, and high-quality audited data. To simplify this transition, SAP launched the Clean Core certification. This program guarantees that custom extensions built on BTP will remain compatible across future S/4HANA Cloud release cycles, reducing the technical risk of upgrading. The shift to the Business AI platform creates a clear divide in the corporate world. Organizations that fail to reach these data readiness standards will be unable to utilize autonomous features, leaving them reliant on manual processes while their competitors automate.
Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.